Hello and welcome to a new video of Ride Review Video Magazine. Today we are in Belgium again at Boudewijn Seapark. This is a park with some amusement attractions, but mainly they are concentrating on dolphins and sea animals. They have a large Dolfinarium. I don't know if the word is existing in English, but it's a house for dolphins where they have shows with the dolphins and everything. But this is not exact. Sorry, this is not finding place today, but it is finding place in beginning or the middle of June, when Belgium is allowed to open its indoor attractions again. But this is not the reason why we're here. The reason why we're here is the roller coaster. This is a little Tivoli, a large Tivoli with a little orca as a chasen. I love it. The train is so cute. It has every chase is a little orca. Yes. It's a custom layout. I like the coaster. It is a custom layout, and they have little theming here, the ice theming, and a little water effect, which is pretty special and kind of cool.
Die Leute auf der Wasserkante. sind echt wieder amazing.
Wie nett war, Junge.
So we are ending our day with a beer, like it has to be. I think we, how late is it? 2 o'clock? 1 o'clock, not even 1 o'clock. And the park is very small. You can see that it has potential, but some corners are not that well groomed, and you see that, yeah, the entrance, literally after the entrance, it seems like it's a lost place.
Yeah.
So not that shiny and happy that it has to look like when you go to an amusement park, or even if it's a zoo or something. Yeah, we have been watching the sea lion show, which was, well, it was okay. It was made good, but funny, and they really had effort to. They had some effort to animate us, but they did it. Yeah, everything is a little old, or well, not neat, and you can see in the back of the park that they have made the playgrounds new, large playgrounds, which is pretty cool. So there you can see that it has potential, and the roller coaster is kind of cute that it's a custom layout. So they thought about it and made special ideas of it. The new water playground here over there looks very pretty, but it's not the weather for a water playground, but well, yeah. So as a conclusion, the animals that they have here, like dolphins and sea lions and sea hounds or dogs, I don't know what the word for the smaller sea lions is, you weren't even able to see them, because I don't know if they have the enclosure. I don't know if they have the enclosures inside the building so that we can't see them now because of COVID, or if they don't even have enclosures to watch, just the shows to watch the animals. So we didn't inform us before if they are more animals or other animals, but that was our expectation. But they honestly don't have more animals. So yeah, I think for kids and families, it's a park where the kids absolutely can have fun with some some small attractions. But yeah, as an adult, it's not the park that you would walk in like us, just to count the roller coaster, and that's it, probably. But well, if you are interested in looking at the park, maybe you should do it when the dolphin station and everything is open again. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. Have a nice day and see you.